Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drive hub retainer in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver, a 7/16 deep socket, the long extension, the socket wrench, a pair of hooks, a larger flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drive hub retainer. The drive hub retainer is a plastic clip that locks the drive hub assembly in place. It's located under the wash plate. The most common reason to replace the drive hub retainer is when it gets broken while the washer is being repaired. To get it apart, we need to open the lid. And now we're going to remove this fabric softener dispenser using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to tilt this basket to the side, and I'm going to place the flat blade screwdriver right in that little groove here, and I'm going to pry it up. To remove the agitator, we need to take out the bolt that is on the very bottom of the agitator. I'm going to use a 7/16 inch long socket and a long extension. So place it on, hold it at the bottom, and I'm going to break it loose. All right. This is a nice pair of hooks I'm going to use. This is our already factory made, but you can design your own and make it at home. Just use the wires, so maybe a thin rod, and bend it. Okay, so I'm going to place one into the hole here, and the other one into the opposite side, and I'm gonna start lifting it up, and there we go. Now I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry out this drive hub retainer. At this point, I'm going to use the pliers here. Alright, so this is the retainer we took out. This is the old drive hub retainer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to slide this new drive hub retainer as far as it can go by hand. And then I'm going to use whatever, pliers or a little hammer, and we can just knock it in. So we can install the wash plate onto the shaft. This spline inside will fit over the shaft splines. So I'm going to place it onto the shaft. And play with it slightly left and right so the splines will match, and then let it go. Press it down. Next, we're going to install the agitator. I will place that bolt into this socket head, and then I'm going to pull out this beautiful agitator, and I'm going to insert this into the agitator. And we're going to go through this opening, and I'm going to turn it over and mount it onto this wash plate. And place the bolt right in the opening in the center. And I'm going to tighten the bolt. You need to hold it down so it will stop the basket from turning.
to a certain point. And then I need to hold the basket and tighten more. Okay, and now we can install the fabric softener dispenser. Place it on the top and push it down. And now we can close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.